Hey guys, this is Rebecca, and you're watching This Week on ChinesePod. Elementary learners out there, if you're a fan of 成语, which are Chinese idioms, you're gonna enjoy the latest episode of the 成语 series on Monday. Don't worry if you think idioms are difficult. This lesson is for you too, because in this series, Joy and Joe only talk about simple idioms with characters that you have already learned, and it's really easy to just guess their meanings from looking at the words. Now, I've got one for you. 五花八门. That's right, 5 flowers and 8 doors. What do you think it means? Give me a guess in the comment section below and watch the lesson to find out the real answer. Moving on, advanced learners out there, we have a brand new podcast on Wednesday just for you. We're going to take you all the way back to the 3rd century of China and tell you the story behind the 成语杯弓蛇影. Now, those of you who have never heard of this 成语 before might be wondering, cup, bow, snake, and shadow? How do they all come together? Well, that's what you're going to find out in this podcast, so stay tuned. Finally, we have a new lesson from the Coffee Break series with Alice and Joshua on Friday. This lesson is going to be super useful for people who mess up a lot at work, myself included, because we're going to teach you 5 ways to apologize in Chinese. You know, sometimes no matter how sincere or apologetic you are, a simple 对不起 just doesn't cut it. Well, after watching this lesson, you're gonna be ready for those awkward situations. This week, we're also recording a new podcast series that revolves around some murder cases. If you're a nerd like me and you're also into mysteries or detective novels, that's gonna be a treat for you. Be sure to check out ChinesePod.com/podcast for all the updates. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, send them to me. I look forward to hearing from you. Alright guys, that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye!
ChinesePod.